Hello everyone, here is a question based on stoichiometry. 56 liter of nitrogen gas is mixed with the excess amount of hydrogen gas and it is found that 20 liter of ammonia gas is produced. What is the volume of unused nitrogen gas in that case? We have N2 gas mixed with the H2 gas and we are getting ammonia. We have two nitrogen atoms on the reactant side. Therefore, we have to multiply ammonia with 2 so that we can balance the number of nitrogen atoms. Now, on the product side, we have 6 hydrogen atoms, 2 times 3. Therefore, we have to multiply H2 with 3 so that we can balance the hydrogen atoms too. Now, the equation is balanced. So, this means when we have 1 mole of N2 and 3 mole of H2, we would get 2 mole of ammonia. That's the stoichiometry. So, here things are mentioned in liters. We have 56 liter of N2, excess amount of H2 and we are getting 20 liter of ammonia. Now, the question we need to ask ourselves is, to get 20 liter of ammonia, how much N2 gas should be lost? That's the question we need to ask ourselves. It would be 10 liters, isn't it? Only if we lose 10 liters of N2 gas and 30 liters of H2 gas from the excess. This is excess minus 30 liters. Then we can get 20 liter of ammonia, isn't it? Otherwise, we can't get 20 liter of ammonia. That's what the stoichiometry says. We are just assuming that the reaction is going in the forward direction 100%. We are not assuming equilibrium here. We are just assuming that if the reaction gone completely in the forward direction, then when we have 1 mole of N2, 3 mole of H2, we should get 2 mole of ammonia. That's the stoichiometry. So, therefore, in this case, to get 20 liter of ammonia, we have to lose 10 liter of N2. We also have to lose 30 liter of H2 from the excess. We don't know what is the excess amount, but it would be excess minus 30 liter of H2. So, therefore, the unused nitrogen gas is 46 liters. 56 minus 10, 46. Therefore, 46 is the correct answer here.